In a bustling city, there lived a young girl named Emma who dreamed of becoming a world renowned architect. She spent her days drawing intricate designs and imagining the grand structures she would one day build. But Emma faced many challenges. Her family struggled financially, and she had little support from those around her. One evening, while walking home from her part time job, Emma took a different route and stumbled upon an old, abandoned bridge. The bridge was worn and crumbling, with weeds growing through the cracks. Yet, there was something majestic about it, and Emma felt a deep connection to its potential. Determined to restore the bridge, Emma began researching its history. She discovered that the bridge was once a vital link for the community, built by a brilliant but forgotten architect named Mr. Thompson. Inspired, she decided to take on the challenge of rebuilding it. Emma approached the city council with her plan. Initially, they laughed at her idea, doubting her capabilities. Her hard work slowly caught the attention of her neighbors, who admired her dedication. One by one, they offered their help carpenters, electricians, and even artists who volunteered to restore the bridge's beauty. Together, they formed a team, and the project began. The restoration process was tough. There were setbacks and moments of doubt, but Emma's determination and vision kept the team motivated. They worked through rain and shine, each person contributing their skills and learning from one another. As the bridge neared completion, word spread about the community effort. News outlets covered the story, and people from neighboring towns came to witness the transformation. Emma's Bridge was becoming a symbol of hope and unity. On the day of the grand reopening, the entire city gathered to celebrate. Emma, standing at the center of the beautifully restored bridge, felt a rush of emotions. She realized that the true strength of the project came not just from her own hard work, but from the collective effort of everyone involved. Mr. Thompson's granddaughter, an elderly woman, approached Emma and said, "My grandfather would be proud. You've not only rebuilt a bridge, but you've also rebuilt the spirit of this community." Moral of the story: great achievements are possible when vision and determination unite with community support and collaboration. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Moral Lessons, for more inspiring stories and valuable lessons. Together, let's spread positivity and wisdom. See you in the next story.